it's gonna explode.
Yeah, this looks like a frisbee or something.
We can't really show you. Holy that is huge. What you want to do is you want to put your cross across the right.
Absolutely.
This is what?
We got the last thing.
I don't think that thing's gonna stay on for much longer.
11 by 11? Come on.
Hold on. Before it inevitably falls over.
Now, for the square one final round, E2, the side stage.
Oh.
Square one final round, E2.
Do you need 3 more Mega Minxes? I got some. Oh.
Somebody to keep stacking while you're holding it.
It's sort of. Hey, let's play Jenga. I'm gonna take it out.
Yay, Jenga.
Team 9 to the stage.
Yeah, exactly.
And Team 10 to the red stage. Team 10 to the red stage.
Wait, is it?
I guess it's 5? 5, 6, 5, 3, Oh, I guess it's 2.
We found a name tag up here. It says Clark Chang, so we'll figure out Clark Chang.
One more? Think you could do one more?
That's fine.
Sit down for
Can I be a part of this?
If it falls, everyone run as fast as you can.
Wait a minute. I have another Mega Mix.
No, we're not going to put that cube on top.
Why not? I've got another Mega Mix.
Could. Are you sure?
I've got another Mega Mix.
Oh! Mazel tov.
How did you say that?
Oh, it's not completely destroyed.
This is slow motion.
Oh, fun.
I get 3 seconds of slow motion off of this. I'll play it back to you. I'll play it in even slower though.
Oh, good.
Keep using that.
There.
Yeah, those are my 2 cents.
Why are like 4 of the 2x2 solved?
My meal 3 cents.
This is very slow.
Put a Pyraminx on top.
Now it starts to lead. They realize it and rush their hands up.
Send some about.
And knock the 2 cubes off, and the other one comes out also.
Oh, that's good slow motion.
You guys should like throw something at the
I only got 3 seconds of it though.
That's going on YouTube, right?
I sure hope so. Alright, restructuring of the tower.
Oh, Mefford's right there. Oh my gosh. I just got a signed Paramorphics by Uwe Mefford. Ah! Anthony, I'm leaving.
Oh.
Bye. Alright, so I'm gonna head buying right now. So, see ya. Bye.
Bye.
Rubik's Guy, subscribe to my channel, RUBIKSUY. I have many book reviews and collection videos and stuff like that. I vlog a lot.
I'm Alex. I'm all about tutorials. I do pretty much everything here on my channel called Cube Group 101. Subscribe.
Cube Group 101 and Rubik's Guy. See you around. This is World Championship.
I guess I came in at an inopportune time. I'm leaving right now.
Hi. Bye.
Bye. Say bye to the camera, everyone.
Bye the camera, everyone.
No, I'm waiting.
Knock it off, Neil. You're not the center. You're not the center of attention.
Yes, I am.
No, you aren't.
I got like some of the top. How many cubers in the world?
Did you get it signed by Uwe Mefford?
No, dude. I only give a crap about speed cubers.
Woo! Did you hear that, internet? Neil doesn't think that Uwe Mefford.
Everyone who doesn't speed all. All right. You too, Christian.
Well, jeez.
And Pi.
You're gonna buy
And everyone
Well,
else.
No.
He left.
I'm broken. I'm gonna go, Josh.
Okay, it was nice meeting you.
Nice
Christian.
meeting you too.
Left-handed.
Left-handed, sure.
Like a boss.
Yeah. So,
You're very cool.
thank you.
I think you would make a great narrator. Your voice is awesome.
Thank you so much.
It'd be amazing.
Yeah. I'm already a voice narrator for my video game series.
Yeah. So that's
And-
perfect.
Right. You're gonna subscribe to me, right?
Yes, I am.
Okay, good. All right.
Okay, cool.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye. Billy,
7 o'clock.
I'm gonna be leaving.
When am I leaving? Oh.
I said I'm gonna be leaving.
Oh, you're gonna be leaving.
Yeah.
Well, it was good meeting you,
Good
Christian.
meeting you, too.
I was glad that you came. It was
glad
fun. Yes. Here, left hand shake. Or, okay, right hand. Yep, alright, see you later.
Any last words you want to say to the camera?
Last words. It was really great being here. I was so glad I did it. It's a lot of work. It is a bit tiring, but I'm glad. It's going to be so much fun getting all the videos up.
Any last words you want to say to my audience?
To your audience? Oh, that was it. But
You're gonna subscribe to me, right? I'm getting this on camera, so think
am
carefully.
I going to do now? Do you make quality content?
You can't answer a question with a question.
Well, let's see. What's your channel's name?
Tense on Fire.
Tense on Fire. Well, I'll have to keep an eye out for you.
All right.
Okay, see ya.